New 4 doors battery-operated ride-on toy car remote control 12 volts. Absolutely stunning SUV car with flashing lights, MP3 player input and all other functionalities your child can dream of. 110-volt wall charger is included. Assembly is relatively simple and takes about 30 to 45 minutes. It features a 12 volts rechargeable battery with a full-function remote control for parents whose kids cannot reach the accelerator pedal or cannot yet control the car, so can be driven by the child using the car's controls or by a parent using the remote. With colorful light both front and rear tailor. Multi-functional music steering wheel. 2.4G 4-channel remote control. Bears an overcurrent protection device. Adjustable front seat. 2 babies can seat. Electronic power steering wheel. Strolley function. Quick release wheels and steering wheel. 4 doors can be open. Colorful LED lights on 4 wheels. Alright guys, that is all for this video. Hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please go ahead and give it a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now.